Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
God is canvassing that here I have come, Paritrānaya sadhunam, vināṣāya duṣkritam. I have appeared before you just to give you relief. Paritrānaya sadhunam, you are trying to understand me. So here I am present. Where you are thinking God is formless, here I am, Krishna form. You see, I have got my flute in the hand. I am very much fond of the cows. I love the cows and the sage and Brahma, everyone equally, because they are all my sons in different bodies. Krishna is playing, Krishna is speaking, still these rascals will not understand Krishna. So what is Krishna's fault? It is our fault. Andha. Just like the owl. Owl will never open the eyes to see that there is sunlight. You know this? Owl. So they will not open. However you may say, Mr. Owl, please open your eyes to see the sun. No, there is no sun. I don't see. This is owl civilization. So you have to fight with these owls. You must be very strong, especially the sannyasis. You have to fight with the owls. You have to open their eyes by force, with machine. This is going on. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is a fight against all the owls. So, here is a challenge. Juyang vai dharmarajasya jadi nirdeshakarya. Nirdeshakarya. Servant means they have no second choice than to carry out the orders of the master. Therefore, nirdeshakarya. They cannot argue. No. Whatever is ordered, that is certain. So if anyone claims to become, he is expecting I think here the Vishnudutas are also mentioned here, Vasudevoktakar, you know. They are also servants. So, Ukta means whatever order is given by Vasudev, they carry out. Similarly, the Jamadutas, they are servants of Jamaraja, they are also at the Nirdeshakarina. If you are actually servant of Jamaraj, you act according to his direction, then you must know what is dharma and what is adharma. So, they are actually bona fide servant of Jamaraj, there is no doubt about it. Now, they are giving their identification in this way. Jamaduta Uchu Vedapane Hito Dharma. Immediately. What is dharma? That was the question. Immediately answered. They know what is dharma. Vedapane Hito Dharma. Dharma means what is explained in the Vedas. You cannot create dharma. Veda, the original knowledge. Veda means knowledge. Veda Shastra. So, from the time of creation, the Veda was given to Brahma. Veda therefore is called Apaurusha. It is not manufactured. That is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Tene Brahma Rida Adikavahi. Brahma means Veda. Veda's another name is Veda, Brahma. Spiritual knowledge, or all knowledge, Brahma. So Tene Brahma Adikavahi Rida. The Veda has to be studied from the spiritual master. So it is said that the Brahma is the first living being who understood Veda. So how he understood? Where is the teacher? There is no other creature. How he understood Vedas? The teacher was Krishna, and he is situated in everyone's heart. Ishara sarvabhutana riddese Arjuna Tishta. So, he is teaching from the heart. So Krishna teaches, he is so kind, as Chaitya Guru from the heart, and he sends his representative from outside. Chaitya Guru and Guru. Both ways Krishna is trying. Krishna is so kind. So therefore, Vedas, they are not man-made books. Veda, Apurusha. Apurusha means not made by, we should not take Vedas as ordinary mental speculation book. No, it is perfect knowledge. It is perfect knowledge, and one has to take as it is, without any adulteration, interpretation. So, it is spoken by God. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita is also Veda. It's spoken by Krishna. So you cannot make any addition or alteration. You must take it as it is. Then you get the right knowledge.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare